Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking into the video. So we are at Family Dollar. Yay, we finally got another 5 off 25 this week. So let's go ahead and get into some deals. First thing I'm gonna grab is this Dawn Platinum Power, not Power Wash, I don't know, what's this called? Dish soap. So these are priced at $1.50, and yes, that $1 off digital coupon is attaching. I know it's not supposed to, but it is. So we're gonna kind of take advantage of the glitch. That's gonna be our item number 1. Second item we're gonna grab are the Febreze. So we're gonna grab 2 Febreze refills. These are priced at $5, and we have a $5 off of 2 digital coupons. So yes, everything I'm going to be grabbing today is digital. We're going to be using all digital coupons. Next item I'm going to be grabbing is some Glad trash bags. These are priced at $5.50, and we do have a 50% off digital coupon. Next item I'm grabbing is some Always pads. These are priced at $3.25, and we do have a $2 off digital coupon. Alright, so last item I'm going to be grabbing is Tide detergent. These are on sale this week for $4.95, and we do have a $2 off digital coupon. Of course, I'm grabbing more detergent. So with everything that I grabbed, I should be hitting my $25 mark. I believe I'm at 25 and 20 cents. So my 5 off 25 should come off. Let's go ahead and check out. Hey now, this is what dreams are made of. I know you guys know where that song is from. Anyways, yes guys, we made it back home from Family Dollar. Before we move on any further, I want to ask if you guys can please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've been following me and enjoying my content so far. So everything worked out pretty good at Dollar General. My only issue was that the Always pads did not ring up for $3.25. It rung up for $3.50. Not too big of a deal, but yeah. So let's go over the review. We grabbed the Dawn dish soap. Yes, there's a glitch going on right now. That Dawn dish soap is the 7 fluid ounce. It is priced at $1.50, and that $1 off digital is attaching. So technically it would make this Dawn dish soap only 50 cents if you wanted to go ahead and grab it on its own. So that $1 off digital is attaching. Then we also grabbed 2 Febreze products right here. Boom, boom. They are priced at $5 each. And we have a buy 2 get $5 off digital coupon. I also grabbed some Glade trash bags. They are priced at $5.50, and we have a 50% off digital coupon. The last item, not the last item, I also grabbed the Always pads. Did I repeat myself? I don't think so. I grabbed the Always pads. They are priced at $3.50, and we have a $2 off digital coupon. Mama, and then I grabbed... Okay, baby. Go lay down in the room and I'll go get you one. Sorry about that, guys. Anyway, so the final item I grabbed was a Tide detergent. They are priced, it was priced at $4.95. So the Tide is on sale this week for $4.95. And I used the $2 off digital coupon. So my subtotal before all my coupons was $25.45. So I did hit that $25 mark, and I was able to use the 5 off 25. So let me go ahead and show y'all my receipt. Here's the receipt. All my coupons came off. I didn't have an issue with any of them. And then as you can see, that Dawn dish soap did ring up for $1.50, and that $1 off digital did come off. So everything came off perfectly fine, and there is my subtotal, $9.95. or $1.65 each. Boom! Absolutely loving the fact that the 5 off 25. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all next time. Bye!